So right now we're in Macau and we're overlooking this airport right here. And this airport goes, there's a runway that goes right, there's the, where they park and land. Or this is where they come in though, this little strip right here.
And then there's
so you can see one way over there. And it's slowly going to... Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. I don't know if it's gonna, let me see, let me just see, this is kind of hard to focus, but it's going to this little spot right here, which I think is where, well anyways, whatever it is, we're also going to take a look at the other stuff, which is all this stuff. This crazy casino right here. And this crazy casino was the one I could see the other day, and we're going to film that as well. And then there's a big court right here. We're going to view on that.
And also Wind Palace.
And where's the Wind Palace? Wind Palace is over here, so we're going to zoom in on that one too.
Water show.
And there's a water show going on right now at Wind Palace, so we're going to zoom in on that.
And then there's cable.
Yep, there's the water show right there. And there are cable cars going around this one too, which I can't see at the moment. Let me see if I can zoom in on those cable cars. There they are right there, so there's some cable cars. They start from that spot and then they go up. You can see a couple cable cars right now. And it's gonna go up, all the way over to somewhere over there. And those cable cars can overlook the light show right now. And this one right here is called MUS. It's a university college. I forget what it stands for. Macau University of Science and Technology, I think. So we're overlooking that one too. And the airport has a reservoir over here. And we're kind of on a trail, if you're kind of curious where we are right now. We're on this trail. And we're looking down on this. And it's more of the MUS University right there, all the green. And the casino's way down there. I'm just going to zoom in on this building too. You can see how crazy this is.
That green thing is a hospital.
It is a hospital. So this one looks like this.
In the very back.
We are going to zoom in on that hospital in a minute too. I have a helper here who wants me to go over there and show that. So we'll show that too. There it is. University Hospital. Macau University of Science and Technology. MUS. Same green color as the other ones. And we have all these little buses coming in right there. I'm going to zoom in on those too. And those are all, these are buses that come directly from the airports or the ferry terminals, and they bring people to the casinos directly. So, okay. Zoom in on this casino too. Alright, so, and that's the runway for the airplanes. Let's see if that one got to where it was supposed to go.
That's the airport.
Let's see. I don't know where that one went, but...
That's the airport.
Okay. Look at the Macau Ferry right there. See all those ferry boats? And then you have that long bridge all the way across. This bridge goes all the way to Hong Kong as well. So the two of them, you have all that, and then you have kind of more, I don't know what these all are, what these buildings house, but then you have this long bridge over here that goes to Macau. There's 3 bridges, and this is the 3rd one. So anyways, just thought I'd show it from this angle. And there's a ferry coming in right there. There we go. It's another side of Macau. Okay, and the train is running. Or at least they're practicing the runs. I don't know if it's actually running today or not. But this one goes to, this is the airport station. So it drops people off the airport and they can get off at the station and then they can go in and jump on one of these planes. Yeah, this train is like basically like right at the station. So it's kind of cool. I guess the train is in there. There it is right there. We're going to zoom in on it a little bit. See, it'll focus. I just wanted to see if this train is operational or not. If people are actually using it.
Daddy, look. Here, here. I can see some people on it.
Okay, let's see. If that's running, then maybe people can take it. Yeah, maybe later I'll try to see if I can get down there and see. Anyways, that's the train, and this is Macau at the airport, overlooking the airport, up on this hillside. Just kind of zoom in on everything, so you can see this path right here.
The train is going now.
And now the train is going now, so let's zoom in on it real quick. Let's see if we can see any people. Looks like an empty train. Yeah, it's an empty train. It must still be doing practice runs. Let's see if there's a conductor. It's picking up a lot of speed now. And it's right in front of the airport right there. Okay.
Chiquinha,